Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. First, open Google Drive in your browser or app and switch to the same account that owns the doc you want to add. Next, open the Google Doc itself or the docs list. You can move it from either view. Once done, locate the target folder in Drive where the doc should live. Make sure to keep Drive and Docs in the same account to avoid permission issues before you proceed to move or upload. Now move or upload the document. If the item is a native Google Doc, open it and choose File, then move to pick a Drive folder. Confirm by clicking Move here. Alternatively, in Drive, click New and create or import a doc. Choose Upload Files to add Word files that convert to docs. You can also drag a file from your desktop into Drive. Drive will upload and let you convert to a Google Doc. Make sure shared folder permissions are correct when placing it. Finish by confirming the doc is in the right Drive folder and that it opens without errors. Once in place, set sharing or collaborator permissions as needed so others can access it. Use Share to set viewer, commenter, or editor roles. If the file doesn't appear, refresh the page, confirm you're in the correct Google account, and check Recent or Shared with Me. If you uploaded a non-Google file, convert it via File Save as Google Docs to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.